Okay. Are we live? All right. So let's just take this. Okay. Hello, boys and girls. A very, very good evening to all the sailors out there. How are you guys doing? What's up? What's happening? Please say, sir, we can hear you. Say yo or any comment down in the chat box so I can see and I can understand you are able to hear and see me. Please let me know. Just say hi, Captain. What's up? Anything you write, or preferably hi, Captain. Please let me know. Please let me know. Mhm. All right, the chats are not coming. One second. Yo, so everyone can see me. Now it has come up. All right. So boys and girls, are you ready for your session number 1 on solutions? ठीक है, आज हम introduction लेंगे. It will be very basic. It will be very, very good. If you have forgotten your 11th class chemistry concentration terms, I'm gonna revise it up in a beautiful manner, and I have some assignment for you as well. So you have to stick till the very end. Some of the questions of the assignment I am also solving in today's session, जिससे आपको काफी फायदा होगा. And I remember and I think many of you have forgotten 11th class concentration terms, so quickly we will revise in today's session. आज हम जल्दी से याद कर लेंगे, जल्दी से रिवाइज कर लेंगे. Correct? So are you guys excited for it? Are you guys excited for it? And the dog has started barking up here. I don't know why. He's also excited. ठीक है. So let's have fun. Let's have so much fun in this session. अच्छा करते हैं. ठीक है. So hi to everyone. Yes. All right. ठीक है. All right, boys and girls. I'm happy and I'm excited to teach you solutions. So my name is Harsh Maheshwari. Many of you know me, and if you're slightly more daring, you can call me "Oh Captain, my Captain." That's my name, right? So Captain is there, and I'm gonna help you. I have been teaching from last 3-4 years, right? 4 साल हो गए लगभग मुझे अब 4 साल हो जाएंगे बहुत जल्दी. And yes, I am from IIT Warangal, and I have I have some amazing content to give. ठीक है? All right, boys and girls. And yes, schedule, the guys, you were asking for schedule ki sir, when are the classes? Let me tell you very simple in a very precise manner. देखो classes जो होंगी, all those classes, theory classes will be always at 9 o'clock. चाहे वो सूरी सर हो, आपके मोगैम्बो सर, चाहे अरविंद सर. आई हैव हर्ड अरविंद सर बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं. ही सिंग्स वेरी वेल, राइट? सो अरविंद सर होंगे या फिर आपके मोगैम्बो सर होंगे. दे विल ऑलवेज बी कमिंग फॉर द थ्योरी लेक्चर्स ऑलवेज एट 9 PM पे ही आएंगे वो. और जो आपका एमसीक्यू रहेगा, इट विल बी ऑलवेज एट 8 o'clock. हमारा टाइम हर सब्जेक्ट के अक्रॉस एमसीक्यूज वुड बी टेकन एट 8 PM. ठीक है, तो ये सबको क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी क्लियर विद ईच एंड एवरीवन एंड इट शुड रेजोनेट विद ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. अच्छा, I will start the session. I have a beautiful question for you. We will answer. I will give you a question, and I will answer that in the next session. ठीक है? And I will always try to give you something new. ठीक है? मैं कुछ कोशिश करूंगा, and it is not related to the topic. I will ask you one question at the very end. At the very end, please stay. You have to stick till the very end. I will give you or I will ask you a beautiful question. क्या वो question जानना चाहते हैं? तो आपको लास्ट तक रुकना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? आपको लास्ट तक रुकना पड़ेगा. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? Shall I start? चल अब स्टार्ट करें. Yes. Shall we start? Okay. Take my name, Ayush. Shall we start? So we shall begin, right? All right. अच्छा, moreover, आप टेलीग्राम पे आ जाइए वेदांतु जेई का. ठीक है, इट्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. Please enroll for free. We are taking so many classes. Everything is happening. Assignments are there. सब कुछ है. The link is down there. Check it out. काफी amazing है. आपका टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी है for this Vedantu, where we will be posting questions. I'm gonna post questions after every session of mine, and I'm gonna discuss those questions on Wednesday. तो हम जो पढ़ाएंगे साथ ही साथ आपको क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व कराएंगे. तो प्लीज यू हैव टू बी ऑन टेलीग्राम. वेदांतु जेई को सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को, राइट? यू हैव टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल बिकॉज we are going to be consistent on this channel. आपको मेरा चैनल हमेशा दिखेगा और अच्छा कंटेंट मिलेगा. So if you are up for it, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Yeah, sure. ठीक है? All right. So we shall start. मिलियन बता रहा है हमारे को we shall start. Solution अब हमें start करना चाहिए. क्या होता है बेटा solution? What is a solution? आप लोग काफी जानते हैं solution के बारे में, मुझे बताइए. सोल्यूशन जो हमें पढ़ना है बड़ा ही बहुत आसान है और बहुत अमेजिंग चैप्टर है, वन ऑफ द इट्स वेरी इजी और काफी स्कोरिंग चैप्टर है, इट्स अ वेरी स्कोरिंग चैप्टर, बहुत स्कोरिंग चैप्टर है बेटा, ठीक है। ओके अच्छा, लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव आज क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं हम, सोल्यूशन के बारे में ऑफ कोर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। आज जो मेन खास है वो है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टर्म्स, ठीक है, जो खास है बेटा वो है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टर्म। जो आज के लेक्चर में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स इज गोना बी कंसंट्रेशन टर्म, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो यू हैव टू स्टे टिल द एंड, काफी सारी रिवीजन हो जाएगी आज। एंड यस, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, आई विल एंड द चैप्टर, आई विल एंड द सेशन by explaining about the solutions property, ठीक है, solution की property को explain करते हुए I will end the topic and I'll continue, कल का topic और amazing होगा, ठीक है। Alright, so let's start. So beta, what is a solution? जो basic definition है, it's a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. आपका best example, नमक, take salt, dissolve it in water, like this person is doing, I don't know who is that, but someone is doing there, right? And he has mixed it up, बहुत आराम से मिल जाता है। नहीं तो more example, your favorite example, वाटर प्लस लिक्विड, वाटर प्लस लिक्विड बोल रहा हूँ, वाटर आपका फेवरेट कंपाउंड, वाटर प्लस एल्कोहल, योर फेवरेट कंपाउंड, राइट, एल्कोहल, कौन सा एल्कोहल, C2H5OH, राइट, योर फेवरेट एग्जांपल। तो ये आपका एक होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर बनता है, लिक्विड प्लस लिक्विड गिव्स यू अ लिक्विड, इट्स अ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर, ठीक है, इट्स अ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल एग्जांपल, होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर है, यस, करेक्ट। Yes or no, beta? So these are nothing but when you are mixing something and it gets completely dissolved, we call it as a homogeneous mixture. And in this chapter, we will talk about true solutions, जहाँ पर हर चीज अपने आप complete dissolve हो जाती है, मतलब complete dissolution will happen. We are going to talk about true solutions in this chapter. हम इस chapter के अंदर true solutions को ही पढ़ने वाले हैं, ठीक है। अच्छा, then you guys know जो solution होता है बेटा, it is of two types. Basically इसमें दो चीजें होती हैं in a solution. It is containing two components. What are those? Solute and solvent. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग, आप जानते हैं। सिंपल सिंपल सी भाषा में अगर बोलूं, बड़ा सिंपल सा भाषा में बोलूं, एग्जांपल के तौर पे, फॉर एग्जांपल, you know, it is also of various types. Let me explain it. When you take solid, dissolve it in liquid, and you get liquid solution, I hope everyone can see, सबको दिख पा रहा है, ठीक है, सबको दिख पा रहा है, आई होप एवरीवन इज एबल टू सी। व्हेन यू टेक सॉलिड, डिसॉल्व इट इन लिक्विड and you will get liquid solution, then liquid is generally taken in excess, we call it as solvent, इसे हम solvent बोलते हैं, and solid is taken in less amount, इसे हम solute बोलते हैं। बेस्ट एग्जांपल है आपका ग्लूकोज प्लस वाटर, what you get all the time, you get liquid, right, आपको liquid solution मिल जाता है। So whenever solid is there, you take it as solute, and whenever liquid is there, liquid generally would be given to you in large excess quantity में liquid ही रहता है, ठीक है। तो ये simple example हो गया, glucose plus water gives you liquid, it is about solid and water, right? But what happens, this is category number 1, ठीक है, this is case 1। केस 1, when solid, you are dissolving solid in liquid, आपने क्या काम करा, सॉलिड को लिक्विड में डिसॉल्व किया है। ऑलराइट, अब देखो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, जो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, केस 2, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स पे full attention, केस 2 is when you are dissolving liquid in liquid and you also get a liquid solution, right? Now what do I call solute, what do I call solvent? That's a question, because we know, if something is in large quantity, we'll call it, that is generally liquid, we call it as solvent, which is in less amount, we call it as solute, but both of them are liquid now. So beta, here you will always decide based on whichever is more in amount, जो ज्यादा होगा वो बन जाएगा। इसका एग्जांपल देता हूं, फॉर एग्जांपल H2O, I'll say 1 mole of H2O is dissolved in 1 mole of your favorite, 9 moles of your favorite compound, काफी concentrated solution है, 9 moles of C2H5OH, your favorite compound, right? So you will also get a liquid solution, आपको क्या मिल जाएगा बेटा, liquid solution मिल जाएगा, correct? You will end up getting a liquid solution. What is more in amount here? This. So this will act as a solvent, and here this will act as a solute, correct? So in liquid case, always check out कि ज्यादा मात्रा में क्या है, हमेशा वो चेक आउट करो। एक और एग्जांपल सुनो, 9 moles of water. I know you won't like this example, right? इसमें आपका favorite compound बहुत कम है. 1 mole of C2H5OH, ठीक है? So right now this will act as what? This will act as solvent and this will act as solute. क्या मैं अपनी बात समझा पा रहा हूं? Everyone is able to understand me? सबको समझ आ रहा है? क्यों बताओ बेटा? अभी बताता हूँ और क्लियर करता हूँ. गोन गर्ल अभी और क्लियर करता हूँ. अरे देखो यार, अभी कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पीडीएफ मांग रहे हैं. समवन इज आस्किंग पीडीएफ मिलेगा. अरे पहले पढ़ तो ले भाई, फिर पीडीएफ के बारे में बात करेंगे, है ना? पहले पढ़ तो ले, है ना? पीडीएफ की टेंशन अभी से ही आ गई. So this question why I have taken category number 2 is trying to tell you that we have a misconception in our head that solvent is always water. No, no, no. When we have a case in which liquid is there, whichever is in more amount, right? Means whichever is in more in quantity. For example, I have given a clear cut. JEE will give you always a clear cut definition. Which one is solvent, which one is solute. They will always give you mole. ठीक है? अच्छा, one question might come in your head. अगर आया तो let me address it. किसी के दिमाग में आ सकता है. Someone might think, sir, what happens if they will have same moles? आप बोलो पानी के अंदर भी 5 मोल, आपके अल्कोहल के अंदर भी 5 मोल. Both of them are having 5 moles. Then what will happen, sir? Then beta you will go for that particular compound as a solvent which is more in mass. ठीक है? Molar mass देख लोगे वहां पर. Then you will go for molar mass. Otherwise, you will always go for one simple thing. Wherever moles are more, you will say it is solvent. But by chance, and JEE would be giving you a clear-cut definition where mole is more, you will automatically understand. ठीक है? JEE कभी confuse नहीं करेगा. So इसमें दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है कि sir what if that? No, JEE will be always clear about that. By chance, if there such question has never come up, but still I am giving you an insight. What is happening? By chance, so same moles are also mentioned. Then you will go for molar mass. Then you will go for molar mass. I hope my point is clear. सबको समझ आता है? सबको समझ आता है? क्लियर हो गया है? बाई चांस मोल्स भी सेम है तो आप क्या देखोगे? मोलर मास किसका ज्यादा है. ठीक है? थैंक यू रागिनी राय, थैंक यू सो मच. दिस पॉजिटिविटी कीप्स मी गोइंग. एंड एडवांस भी कंफ्यूज नहीं करेगा विनोद, बिकॉज दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, देखो सोल्यूशन जो हमें पढ़ना है, हम वो बेसिकली बाइनरी सॉल्यूशंस पढ़ते हैं. बाइनरी मतलब जो दो कंपोनेंट से बना होता है, विच इज मेड अप ऑफ टू कंपोनेंट्स, एंड दे विल बी ऑलवेज क्लियर कट कि ये सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन है यार, एक सॉल्वेंट है, एक सॉल्यूट है. आपको दूसरी चीजों में कंफ्यूज करेगा एडवांस के क्वेश्चन, पर यहाँ ऐसे कंफ्यूज कभी नहीं करेगा. दे विल नेवर कंफ्यूज यू इन दिस वे. ठीक है? ऑलराइट, चलिए मूव ऑन, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ेंगे. मुझे मजा आ रहा है यार. आई एम लविंग द सेशन राइट नाउ, लविंग दिस. अब बात करते हैं, ये जो सोल्यूशन आपने घोल के बना लिया, यू मेड फ्यू कंपोनेंट्स, यू एक्चुअली डिसॉल्व फ्यू कंपोनेंट्स इन वन सॉल्वेंट, मेड अ न्यू सोल्यूशन. नाउ दिस सोल्यूशन कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन डिफरेंट वेज. वी कैन एक्सप्रेस इट्स concentration in different manner. Those are called as concentration term. तो हम वो धीरे धीरे पढ़ने वाले हैं, एक के बाद हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. यू नो, there are so many ways by which we can express the concentration of a particular compound. So those we are starting. सबसे पहला जो हम start कर रहे हैं बेटा, the first thing which we are starting is first mole fraction. सबसे पहला हम क्या कर रहे हैं बेटा? mole fraction के बारे में. बड़ा सिंपल है, it is number of moles of a component divided by total number of moles. ठीक है? इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. I hope you guys can see. I can write Ni by Nt, where Nt is the total number of mole, Ni is the number, the particular component in which I am interested. ठीक है? सबको समझ आता है? सबको क्लियर होता है? Ni by Nt, Ni by Nt. Is this clear? इतना तो समझ आ रहा है बेटा, है ना? अच्छा. Mole fraction, when you will add up, it will always come as 1. Sum of all the mole fraction is always 1. Chi, ठीक है, इसे chi बोलते हैं, राइट? इससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. अब मेरी बात सुनना, अब मेरी एक बात सुनना, एक क्वेश्चन देता हूं आपको, आपको आंसर देना है. यू गाइस हैव टू आंसर. लेट अस से आई हैव टेकन 180 ग्राम ऑफ water. I have mixed it in this. I have added your favorite compound. Now you will listen. 92 grams of C2H5OH. Along with that, I have also added here 32 gram of CH3OH. Calculate mole fraction. Calculate mole fraction of each component. Of each component. जल्दी से कर करके बताओ. Everyone start doing it. कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट मतलब जो आप तत्व डाल रहे हो अभिनव, जो चीज आप डाल रहे हो डिसॉल्व करने के लिए, ठीक है। ठीक है, लव फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, बेंगलुरु। जल्दी से मुझे आप आंसर बताएंगे। देखो, सो मोल, इसके लिए बेस्ट आंसर है फाइंड मोल्स ऑफ वाटर। हाउ मेनी मोल्स ऑफ वाटर वुड बी देयर? 180 डिवाइडेड बाय 80, कितने आ गए बेटा? 10। What would be the number of moles of your favorite compound C2H5OH? जल्दी बोलो। 92 divided by 46. Molar mass of C2H5OH is 46. यहाँ पे आ गए कितने? 2। Then number of moles of methanol, ये कितना आ जाएगा बेटा? Number of moles of methanol will come equal to 32 divided by 32, आ गया 1। यानी कि total number of moles कितने आ गए? How many total moles are there? 13 moles are there. So mole fraction of water would be equal to 10 by 30. Mole fraction of your favorite alcohol is कितने आए थे? 2 by 13, right? And similarly, last but not least, mole fraction of your CH3OH कितना आ गया बेटा? 1 by 30. And if you calculate, if you add it all, isn't it coming 1? Mole fraction of each and every component जो भी आप डाल रहे हो, सबका मोल फ्रैक्शन अगर आप ऐड करोगे इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 1। सबको समझ आ गया? इज दिस क्लियर? ऑलराइट, सही है, समझ आता है। आगे बढ़ जाता हूं, आगे बढ़ रहा हूं। एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लिया, आपको मोल फ्रैक्शन याद करा दिया, ठीक है। अभी मैं काफी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें बताऊंगा, इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट, ठीक है। अबे यार, ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट, मूविंग ऑन। चलो अब सुनो, आगे बढ़ते हैं। पे अटेंशन, boys and girls. Mass percentage W by W, another way of representing the concentration. Because percentage is there means you are finding in 100, मतलब 100 यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। अब इसको समझाता हूँ बड़ा अच्छे तरीके से। Mass percentage of a component means mass of a solute in gram divided by total mass of the solution, of course in gram. Best example, pay attention, let me give you an example. Let us say 20 gram of urea is dissolved in 200 gram of solution. Boys and girls, please tell me what will be percentage W by W. जल्दी से फॉर्मूला लगाओ, what will be percentage W by W? 20 gram of urea is dissolved in 200 gram of solution in 200. बताओ क्या आंसर आएगा, जल्दी बताओ, what will be the answer? आंसर बताइए, चैट बॉक्स में वेट कर रहा हूं। 10, बहुत बढ़िया, 10%। इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है 10 ग्राम ऑफ यूरिया is present in 100 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिल्कुल सही बात। देखो, और which is true, if you go for unitary method, 20 gram of urea is dissolved in 200 gram, so 10 will be dissolved in how much? 100 only. So but how do you read? For example, if I will be giving you 10% W by W urea solution, you read it like this. It means 10 gram of urea, which is a solute, is dissolved in 100 gram of solution। ठीक है, ठीक है। अच्छा मेरी बात सुनो, अगर मैं बोलूं I have 5% W by W aqueous ethanol with me, it means what? It means 5 gram of alcohol, right? 5 gram of alcohol is present in 100 gram of solution। ठीक है, आई होप इट इज क्लियर। ये बहुत समझना, अगर आपको ऐसे समझना आ गया, इट विल बिकम वेरी इजी। Similarly, your favorite, I tell you why your favorite, percentage V by V. Boys and girls, you might have seen among everywhere, आपके केचप बॉटल पे रहता है, alcoholic beverages पे रहता है। You might have seen on various alcoholic beverages it is written per 4% V by V. It means what now? It means 4 gram, sorry, I'm really sorry, 4 ml। बिल्कुल सेम चीज है, यहाँ पे बस ml लगा देते हैं। Exactly the same, only thing you will use here is ml। सबको समझ आया? If I say something like this, 5% V by V ethanol aqueous ethanol, of course, right? So you will say, sir, it means 5 ml of alcohol is present in 100 ml of solution. I hope I am making sense. Everyone can understand. सबको समझ आ रहा है? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर? ठीक है, देखो आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू है कि कैसे आपको इसको इंटरप्रेट करना है। इसको इंटरप्रेट कैसे करना है मैं वो समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू हाउ विल यू रीड इट ऑल द टाइम। लेट मी जस्ट हेल्प यू है हाउ टू इंटरप्रेट इट, क्योंकि बच्चों को इंटरप्रेट नहीं करना आ रहा है। देखो इंटरप्रेट कैसे करना है। इफ आई से परसेंटेज 5% V by V urea solution, aqueous urea solution, it means 5 ml of urea is present in 100 ml of solution. This is the way you will understand. That's why the formula is what? Volume of solute, of course in milliliter, divided by volume of solution, again in milliliter, into 100. 100 because percentage लगाया हुआ है. That's the formula. ठीक है? I hope it is making sense. सबको समझ आ रहा है how to read it. आगे बढ़ूंगा. Moving on. अब JEE कैसे question देता है? They will never give you direct question. They will always give this question which I have given is called as interconversion. You might have seen in your 11th class. Here they will give one concentration term. You have to convert it into another concentration term. That's the way JEE asks question. JEE इसी तरीके से question पूछता है. आशा करता हूँ आपको ये बात पता होगी. ठीक है? Let me teach you here. Let me teach you here this particular question, boys and girls. ध्यान दीजिएगा. Everyone will pay full attention. Can you guys tell me what is the answer? Let me know what is the answer. Question is right in front of you. I know that's why someone is saying 11th अच्छे से नहीं की है. No worries. That's why I'm taking it slow. I'm trying to tell you this interconversion question. And yes, you have to do one step for me. You have to study at home. Today I'll give you some assignments. Please do that questions, right? Please do those questions and try to brush up your interconversion or your concentration terms because it will be used in this chapter. ठीक है? तो ठीक है. I'm getting some answers. Yes, I'm speaking in English, Sridhar. Okay, 1 by 31 is correct. Yeah, 1 by 31 is correct. Very good, very good, very good. Sridhar, I got you in the very first time. Dekho, so boys and girls, now pay attention. 10% W by W aqueous solution of urea means what? It means 10 gram of urea is present in 100 gram of water. So I'm really sorry, 100 gram of solution. It means this. इसका मतलब ये है, यानी कि if I have solution 90 gram, 10 gram is urea and 90 gram is water because they have said aqueous urea, correct? Acha. Can I quickly, now I have to convert mole fraction, I have to find mole fraction. I have been given percentage W by W. Acha. Mole fraction में क्या क्या requirement होती है? What is the requirement in mole fraction? Number of moles of urea divided by total number of moles. So let us find quickly moles of urea. Moles of urea is 10 by 60. That will be equal to 1 by 6 because molar mass of urea is 60. Number of moles of water, arey wah, very easy. 90 divided by 80 is equal to 5. So mole fraction of urea, your favorite compound. No, that's not your favorite compound. I'm sorry. हाँ, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? It will be 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. I am running out of space. 1 second, boys and girls. All right. This will be 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 6 plus 5. You solve it, it will come as 1 by 31. I hope it is clear. ये सबको समझ आ रहा है? I hope it is clear. सबको आया बेटा ये आंसर? क्या बेटा ये सबको आंसर आ रहा है? Yes. Are you understanding? This is the way the questions would be coming in this chapter also, and JEE also asks in such manner. ठीक है, JEE ऐसे ही पूछता है. एक और क्वेश्चन कराऊं? Are you guys ready? एक और क्वेश्चन कराता हूं, ऐसे ही एक और रिवीजन करा रहा हूं आपकी अच्छी. ये क्वेश्चन मेरा भी पर्सनल फेवरेट है. इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन JEE में भी आए हुए हैं. ठीक है, इंटर अगेन दिस इज अ इंटर कन्वर्जन. Again, it's an interconversion. ठीक है, everyone can see me, right? सबको मैं दिखाई दे रहा हूँ, right? My video is coming up. Yes. Awesome. So इसका आंसर देखते हैं कैसे करना है. There are many ways for this question. देखो बेटा, Ehsan Raza, I'm not going to give you trick here. I'm going to teach you the concept right now. How to solve the question. There are 10 number of formulas out there in the market. Those are the I hate them. I loathe them so much, so bad. Now you have no idea. That's how you. If you will follow those formulas, you will entirely forget how to apply it. Right? Okay, that is so wrong. You will forget how to apply concepts. I will not encourage that. Okay. All right. So please, boys and girls, mole fraction is given to you. Mole fraction of glucose is given to you. They're asking find percentage W by W. Just reverse of the previous question. Just reverse of the previous question. I hope my video you can see. सबको video दिख रहा है. All right. I hope it is there. अब दिख रहा है सबको video. I don't know what happened for a minute. All right. Okay. बेटा दिख रहा है ना आपको? Everyone can see me. Everyone can hear me, right? There is no video issue. Just let me know in the chat box. Okay. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. ठीक है, देखो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज मेंशन टू यू. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, पे अटेंशन. इट्स गिवन टू यू एज 0.05. कैन आई राइट इट एज 5/100 which can be written as 1/20? And you guys, if you know, अभी अभी बताया, it is equal to, mole fraction is equal to number of moles of glucose divided by number of moles of glucose plus number of moles of water, because it has been given the solution is aqueous. So what is there? Water is there and glucose is there. It means there are two components, right? This should be it. To solve this question, I have taken one approach. Let us assume number of moles of glucose is equal to 1. It means automatically, since total number of moles are 20, it means if you are saying this is 1, means water moles will be how many? Number of moles of water would be 19. Do me a quick favor, what will be the mass, what will be the weight of water? It will be equal to 19 into 18. जल्दी से बताओ कितना आ रहा है? How much it is coming? कितना आ रहा है बेटा? जल्दी बताओ in the chat box. Do some yeah, here तो मैं यहाँ mass लिख रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे mass of glucose is what? 180 gram. Correct? Still waiting, not getting answers from your side. So total mass of solution मैं लिखना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, ये आ गया 342 gram. This will become as how much? 522 gram total. 180 plus 342. Is that clear? Yes. Total mass will become how much? 522. Yes, boys and girls, correct. So percentage W by W of glucose would be equal to given mass of glucose divided by mass of solution. Kitna beta? Mass of solution is 522 into 100. Solve this and get your answer. सबको समझ आया? Solve this and get your answer. I hope the approach is clear from my side. सबको approach समझ आ गई है? Approach is clear. All right. बहुत बढ़िया, आगे बढ़ूंगा. Now similarly percentage W by V, I hope it is clear. What does it mean? Example के तौर पे formula is in right in front of you here. Amount of solute in gram dissolved in 100 ml of solution. If I say percentage W by V, और ऐसे से बोलता हूँ 5% W by V urea solution, aqueous urea solution, aqueous urea solution, it means 5 gram of urea is present in 100 ml of solution. I hope you are understanding. Same concept you can apply, right? ठीक है, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. बहुत बढ़िया, आपको समझ आ गया है. आगे बढ़ूंगा. मूविंग ऑन. फिफ्थ, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, स्ट्रेंथ इज व्हाट? अमाउंट ऑफ solute in gram, but volume here used in milliliter, right? Amount of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. That's the difference. यहाँ पे ये डिफरेंस होता है. ये भी हमें क्लियर हो गया. दिस इज ऑल्सो क्लियर. स्ट्रेंथ भी समझ आ गया. करेक्ट. ओके, मूविंग ऑन. ठीक है. लेट्स से वन एग्जांपल. इफ आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल छोटा सा. लेट्स से 22% W by V aqueous urea solution is given. Calculate its strength. इसकी स्ट्रेंथ बताइए, जल्दी से बताओ इसकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या आएगी. अरे यार, हेनरीज लॉ तब पढ़ाऊंगा जब उसका टाइम आएगा. हर चीज का टाइम आएगा यार. स्पैम मत कर चैट श्रीधर. हेनरीज लॉ ऐसे थोड़ी पढ़ा दूंगा यार. सो प्लीज डोंट स्पैम द चैट यार. ठीक है यार. लिखिता, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर. I did not call you anything, Shubhayan. I'm not interested. चलो अब बताओ, what is the answer to it? 20 is the answer. Very good यार, very good कुमार. देखो सिंपल, तो स्ट्रेंथ का फॉर्मूला अभी बताया. तो स्ट्रेंथ निकालना है. I told percentage W by V. 2% W by V means 2 gram of urea. मैं आपको कंसेप्ट यूज करना सिखा रहा हूं. आई एम ट्राइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू यूज द कंसेप्ट. 2 gram of urea is present in 100 ml of solution. ठीक है. तो स्ट्रेंथ क्या होता है? स्ट्रेंथ इज इन लीटर. 2 gram must be dissolved in 1 liter solution. So 100 का कितना हो जाएगा? 0.1, right? So it will come 20 gram per liter. Means 20 gram is dissolved in 1 liter solution. ठीक है, so इसका आंसर है 20. ठीक है, ये आ गया लीटर में. दिस इज इन लीटर्स, दिस इज इन ग्राम्स. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. काफी बच्चों का आ रहा है आंसर. बहुत बढ़िया. ऑल राइट, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. ऑल राइट हर्ष, यू कैन गो अहेड. आगे बढ़ सकते हो. मूविंग ऑन, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Molarity, your favorite beta. Molarity, you might have done n number of questions on molarity, right? इसका simple सा number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Volume of solution in liters. Beta, if I say example 5 molar, it is also written as 5 molar aqueous H2SO4 solution. इसका मतलब क्या है? It means 5 moles of what? H2SO4 is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. बेटा इसको पढ़ना सीख लो. If I will say 2 molar aqueous HCl solution और 2 molar HCl solution, let's say HCl solution ही बोल दो और aqueous की जगह आप बोल दो 5 molar H2SO4. If I say 2 molar HCl solution, it means 2 moles of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter solution. Try to understand it like this. ठीक है, इसको आप इस तरीके से बोल दो. ठीक है, सबको समझ आ रहा है? सबको मेरी बात क्लियर हो रही है? दिस इज द वे यू रीड इट. ठीक है, इसको आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म में ऐसे लिख सकते हो. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम इन लीटर. दिस इज मोलारिटी, राइट? दिस इज मोलारिटी, करेक्ट? एंड बाय चांस इफ यू विल यूज this kind of thing, be careful. Molality is also there. Molality is what? Number of moles of solute. It is represented by small m, whereas molarity is represented by capital M. If number of moles of solute in molality is dissolved per kg of solvent. I'm very happy to tell you only molality is the only concentration term in which solvent is used. Otherwise everywhere is solution. Everywhere is solution. Molality is the only concentration term जहां पर आप solvent लेते हो, और that too 1 kg solvent. Number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent. Weight of solvent किसमें? That too in kg. Such high demands है ना, that too in kg, that too in kg. ठीक है. अच्छा, इसको कैसे रीड करना है? इफ आई से 5 मोलल, दिस आपका you this is molal, your tongue will touch the roof of your mouth. जरा देखिए आप, 5 molal HCl solution. How do I read it? It means 5 moles of HCl is present in 1 kg. 1 kg, और यहाँ पे लिख देना चाहिए aqueous HCl solution, 1 kg of water. 1 kg of water. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ. Let me ask you one point. Let me ask you one question. Whatever the concentration terms I have taught so far, ठीक है? Out of those, which will depend upon temperature? If you will increase the temperature, the concentration might get deviated or will change. बताओ जल्दी से, what are those concentration term which will be affected by increase or decrease in temperature? आ रहा हूं, पार्ट्स पर मिलियन पे आ रहा हूं. जहां पर भी बेटा those concentration term where volume is there, for example molarity, percentage W by V, percentage V by V, those will be affected by temperature change because volume changes when you will increase or decrease the temperature. So ठीक है, wherever volume based concentration term is there, automatically you think something is gonna come up. सबको समझ आ गया? बात आशा करता हूं सबको क्लियर हो गई है. ठीक है, मोलालिटी विल नॉट बी चेंज बिकॉज इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. राइट, बढ़िया, ठीक है, ये भी हमें समझ आया. दिस इज आल्सो क्लियर, ये भी क्लियर हुआ. मेरे पास बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है जो जेई में भी आया हुआ है. देन समवन इज आस्किंग सर व्हाट अबाउट पार्ट्स पर मिलियन. देखो बेटा, व्हेन यू हैव टू इन्वेस्टिगेट अ पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन to a very very detailed analysis you have to do, you go for parts per million. And if you are still not satisfied, you go for parts per billion, 10 power 9. हाँ देखो मैं समझाता हूँ. Have you guys been to your to airport, to any airport? I live in Bangalore, right? So I go to Bangalore airport. There is always, they have this one proper big screen is there where they are putting up carbon monoxide emission today in the atmosphere is this much, this ppm of carbon monoxide is there, sulfur dioxide this ppm is there, means in this air how much carbon monoxide is there. How do I read it? For example, if I say 5 ppm CaCl2, मान लीजिए, it means 5 gram of CaCl2, check out the range of investigation, is present in 10 to the power of 6 gram of 10 to the power 6 gram of solution. सबको मेरी बात समझ आ रही है क्या? मैं अपनी बात समझा पा रहा हूं? Whenever you have to, the hardness of your water, आपका जो नल में पानी आता था, tap water which you are getting, how many fluoride, how much fluoride concentration is there, right? We check it by this. ठीक है, we check it by this. सबको समझ आया? सबको क्लियर हुआ the point I am trying to convey? Can you read the reading? सबको लॉजिक समझ आया क्यों उसको whenever the range of investigation is means when the solute is dissolved in a very little amount. If I go for parts per billion तो समझ जाना solute तो बहुत ही कम है, बहुत ही कम है. The solute is very less in the solution. I hope my point is clear, coming to you loud and clear. ठीक है, बोलो पटेल, what is the doubt? I'm listening to your doubt. If you can write it down, I will definitely read it out. ऑल राइट, ठीक है. ऑल राइट, आगे बढ़ूंगा. ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन, दिस इज अ जेई क्वेश्चन, ये जेई के क्वेश्चन में है. ब्लड इज अ सॉल्यूशन, इट्स अ कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन. हम पढ़ेंगे आगे जाके जब हम सरफेस केमिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे. काफी उत्सुक लग रहे हो, यू गाइस सीम passionate and energetic? So yes, definitely everything would be answered. You have to wait and follow my series. Yes, I am called captain because I want to be called captain. That's it. All right. I have read a poem by Walt Whitman, which is for Abraham Lincoln. I was so inspired by it. It's like I want to be called captain now. So yes, I have been asking every one of you to call me captain, right? Because I'll take the voyage ahead. मुझे इसका आंसर बताओ बेटा. How do I approach this particular question? All right. जो आदमी, a man is most likely to do anything. A man is most likely to do anything. याद रखना. चलो. Let's start. देखो, how do I approach this question? I will never give you a formula for such questions. आप जितने questions के formula कम याद करो उतना better है. Try to understand the approach methodology, right? How do you approach a particular question that is required? Check this out. ध्यान देना जरा. Very, right manner is this. You have been given 2 molar aqueous acetic acid solution. It means 2 moles of CH3COH is present in boys and girls. Check this out. Is present in 1 liter of solution. Correct? So what you will do, you will quickly make a table. Solute, solvent, solution. Quickly make a table. Solute is what right now? Acetic acid is the solute, right? How many moles is given? Are given 2 moles, which will be equal to 120 gram. 1 mole of acetic acid is 60 gram. So mass is equal to 120 gram. Solution is 1 liter, which is equal to 1000 ml. Correct? 1000 ml density of the solution is also mentioned as 1.2 gram per ml. It means your mass of the solution would be equal to 1200 gram. Density into volume. Right? Okay. So it means solvent, boys and girls, I'm very happy to tell you. Solvent, boys and girls, I'm very happy to tell you. Solvent will become how much? 1200 minus 120. What it will be? 1080 gram. Correct? Or in kg, I will write 1.08 kg. क्या बोलते हो? Yes? Now check this out. Question number 1. Molality निकालो. Molality would be equal to number of moles of solute. How many moles are there? 2 divided by weight of solvent in kg. 1.08. This is your answer. If I would have asked, this is, let us say this is part number 1. If I would have asked you part number 2, percentage W by V batao. Amount of solute in gram, that is what? 120 divided by volume of solution in milliliter. That will be what? 1000 into 100. If I would have asked part number 3, check this out. This will come as a homework, so pay full attention. Next question is gonna be a homework. Okay? Percentage V by V. So what you will say? Volume of solute, right? If V by V नहीं जाएगा, W by V हो गया. W by W सही होगा यहाँ पर, है ना? W by W. So W by W, weight of solute in gram. You will say sir 120, बड़ा आसान है. Weight of solution in gram 1200 into 100. क्या मैं अपनी बात समझा पा रहा हूं? Are you guys able to do it properly? क्या ये अपनी बात समझ आती है, क्लियर होती है? Yes or no? क्या ये बात अपनी बात समझ आती है? बताओ. बहुत कुछ है अभी क्लास में और आई हैव टू आस्क यू अ ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन, सो स्टे टिल द एंड. एक अमेजिंग सवाल पूछूंगा आपसे. ठीक है? So basically I have asked you how to approach such questions. These are again interconversion questions. Interconversion. And JEE asks such questions only. वो कभी भी आपको हलवा नहीं देगा कि बेटा this is this, just give us molarity. No, they will ask convert molarity into molality or vice versa. And I have given here, I can extend this question in many ways. Check this out. I ask molality, I ask percentage W by V, percentage W by W. Chalo, just for fun, find strength also. You can also find strength. Amount, number of moles, कितना 2 divided by volume of solution in liter, correct? Amount, that is sorry, amount of solute into number of 120. This is 120 gram divided by 1 liter, correct? I hope it is clear, सबको समझ आता है, बढ़िया है. Once more, beta, Ehsan, Raza, I am very happy to tell you, very delighted to tell you, once my session would be over, there is a beautiful option called replay, and you can actually, check this out wherever you did not understand. So it's a beautiful option available on our YouTube. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ूंगा. अब जरूर सुनना, आगे वाली बात बड़ी interesting चीज है. This question I am giving as homework, and my beautiful sailors, I am expecting each and everyone to drop down, drop down your answers, right? So I will be expecting answers in the chat box, ठीक है, in the comment box down below. ठीक है, ठीक है, सबको समझ आता है, सबको क्लियर हुआ? Yes, all right, amazing, amazing. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ता हूँ, आगे बढ़ता हूँ. Now pay full attention, boys and girls, pay full attention. Types of solution, it depends upon three properties. Properties of solution, or basically properties of solution, depends upon three things: type of solvent, type of solute, amount of solute. First thing, let's discuss type of solvent. Properties of your solution depends upon three factors. First factor is type of solvent. What do I mean by that? For example, check this out. I am taking acetic acid, dissolving it in water. When you dissolve it in water, beta, you end up getting ions, CH3COO minus plus H plus. Same acetic acid, if I take in, let's say, your favorite compound benzene, not your favorite compound, it will form a dimer. ये dimer बना लेता है. So as per your solvent, as you are changing the solvent and taking the same solute, there is a possibility different types of solution can be created. ठीक है? So properties of your solution is different, right? Previously you were getting an ionic solution. Right now you are getting a dimer. आपको dimer मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? You will end up getting a dimer. It will be CH3 COH whole twice. Hydrogen bonding रहती है. It's a dimer. अच्छा. Similarly, if I talk about type of solute, check this out, very important. If I take NaCl, dissolve it in water, आपको पता ही है नमक का पानी, you end up getting an ionic solution, Na plus Cl minus, completely 100% it will ionize, 100% it will ionize, पूरा टूट जाता है, नमक का पानी मिल जाता है, ठीक है. But the same thing, example, pay attention, example, if I will take your favorite glucose, my favorite actually, glucose, ठीक है, dissolve it in water, what you will end up with, you will end up with a non-ionic solution. घुल तो पूरा जाता है, it will dissolve, but it is non-ionic, correct? So as per your solute nature, different types of solutions you are getting. क्या मैं अपनी बात समझा पा रहा हूँ? Once you have taken different type of solvent, different type of solution. Sorry, I have shown you when you change the solvent, solute was same, there is a possibility you will end up getting different solutions. Once I am changing the solute, keeping the solvent same, different kind of solutions are coming up. One is ionic, one is non-ionic, right? Now, अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. Some solutions are also there which does not they do not depend upon the type of solute, type of solute, type of solvent. No, they all they care ki what is the amount of solute. Some solutions are there, if I add 1000 Na plus ion or 1000 K plus ion, answer would be same. Answer सबका same होगा. It depends upon the quantity of the ions, not on the amount, or not on the type of the solute or type of the solvent. They depend upon the quantity or amount of the solute. Such solutions are basically those kind of solutions or those kind of properties we call as colligative properties. हमें इस chapter में type 3 ही पढ़ना है. We have to understand those solutions in which amount of solute matters, in which if you will change the amount of solute, entire property will change. हमें वही तरह के solutions पढ़ने हैं. मैं आपको फिर से बताता हूँ, फिर से अपनी बात क्लियर करता हूँ. Those solutions we have to read which actually on changing the amount of the solute, entire thing will change. सब कुछ change हो जाएगा, ठीक है, सारी चीजें change हो जाएंगी. They depend upon the amount of solute. उसे मतलब नहीं है, it doesn't matter what is the nature of solute. For example, if in a solution if I add 1000 Na plus ion or 1000 K plus ion as a solute, answer would be the same. It does not matter you are adding Na plus or K plus. It matters how much Na plus or K plus you are adding. They depend upon the amount. All these solutions they depend upon amount of solute added. ठीक है. Thank you so much यार. Thank you so much. I hope you are understanding. Quantity matters. काफी materialistic solution है ये. Quantity पे काफी matter करते हैं. तो काफी materialistic है और यही हमें पढ़ने हैं. ठीक है. यही हमें डिटेल में पढ़ने हैं. We have to go in detail, in depth analysis. We will do such properties which change as the amount of solute will change are called as colligative properties, and those solutions where these properties are shown we have to understand, and we have to understand such colligative properties where amount of solute if you will change the entire properties or the property of a solution will change. ठीक है. आपने यहाँ पर क्या करना है, सिंपल सी बात है, ऐसे solutions हमें पढ़ने हैं जहां पर amount अगर आप solute का change करोगे properties ही change हो जाएंगी. ऐसे सॉल्यूशन जहां पर अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट के वेरी करने से प्रॉपर्टीज ही चेंज हो जाती हैं, उन ऐसी प्रॉपर्टीज को पहली बात हम कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज बोल देते हैं. और हमारे पास 4 कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. वी हैव 4 कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज व्हिच वी हैव टू स्टडी. एलिवेशन इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट, relative lowering of vapor pressure and osmotic pressure. In tomorrow's session we will study, or whenever we have next session we will start with osmotic and RLVP. इसे प्यार से हम RLVP भी बोलते हैं. We also call it as relative lowering of vapor pressure. In short, we call it as RLVP. अच्छा, before we start, the next lecture, I'm also happy to tell you. First of all, I'll teach you Van't-Hoff factor. Then we'll go for osmotic and all the other, colligative properties. सबसे पहले हमें पढ़ना है Van't-Hoff factor. वो मतलब इस चैप्टर का backbone है. The backbone of this chapter is Van't-Hoff factor. So next session में आपको आना ही आना है. Do not miss it. ठीक है. What about normality? कुछ चीजें अपने आप भी पढ़, कुछ चीजें अपने आप को भी करो, अपने आप से बैठ के करो. We will revise it in the question form in our what do you call in our MCQ round. ठीक है. कुछ चीजें आप भी पढ़िए. 11वीं में तो है ना, मैं मान के चल रहा हूँ. You guys have finished your 11th. आपने थोड़ा बहुत तो पढ़ा है, थोड़ा, not saying full, थोड़ा. ठीक है. All right. Yes and yes, please be there on Vedantu JEE. वहां पर ही सब कुछ, सारा assignment will be uploaded there. Link is in the description. Click the link, join Vedantu JEE. I am there. I'm gonna tell you. I'm posting up questions, solve them. मैं पूरा आपका ध्यान रखूंगा. ठीक है. मैं आपका पूरा ध्यान रखूंगा बेटा. ठीक है. तो ध्यान रखना इतना, आप बस वेदांतु जेई का जो टेलीग्राम है उस पे ज्वाइन कर लो. ठीक है. तो चैनल ज्वाइन कर लो. That's it. ठीक है. So that's it for me today. I hope you have loved the session. Please like, share and subscribe, and please, मैं तो कहूँगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा like करो so that it will spread out and more people can study, because COVID-19 is out there and no one is studying. I want each and everyone to study and get liberated, understand 12th class and attack 12th class from now on itself. ठीक है. तो ये चीज़ हो गई. And who has stayed till the very end, I have a question for you. Next session में मैं आपसे एक question, इसका आंसर पूछूंगा. नेक्स्ट सेशन में इसका आंसर पूछूंगा. आप सूरी सर से भी बात करना. आपके मोगैम्बो सर हैं. अरे वाह, थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच. आपके मोगैम्बो सर हैं. आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, मोगैम्बो सर से भी पूछना. क्या स्पेस में इज देयर, हाउ डू आई पुट इट अप, डू यू हैव ग्रेविटी इन स्पेस? डू यू हैव ग्रेविटी इन स्पेस? एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर करना. क्या स्पेस में ग्रेविटी होती है? ये सूरी सर से भी पूछना. आप लोग भी मुझे बताना. नेक्स्ट सेशन में विल टॉक अबाउट दिस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सेशन जब हम बात करेंगे तो we will talk about it. You also analyze, you also find your answer. Ask your favorite Suri sir, Mogambo sir से पूछना, and we will talk. ठीक है. All right. So that's it for me today. This is it. This is it for me today. See you next time.